In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and view your name servers on Hostinger, a process that is essential for managing your website effectively. If you're new to this or need a bit of guidance, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into the process step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily and find exactly what you're looking for. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Hostinger account. To begin, open up your web browser and navigate to Hostinger's website by typing in https://www.hostinger.com. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see the Login button. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Type in your email and password carefully to access your account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find your way to the H panel, which is Hostinger's control panel. At the top menu of the page, you'll notice several options. Click on Websites. This will lead you to a comprehensive list of all the websites you manage through Hostinger, making navigation straightforward and intuitive. With your list of websites now in view, the next step is to open the dashboard for the specific website you're looking to manage. Scroll through your website list, locate the website in question, and click on Dashboard. This action will direct you to a more detailed interface for managing your selected website, providing you with an array of options to explore. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left side menu where you'll find various options that relate to your website's settings and features. Scroll down the menu until you see Plan Details, and click on it. This section is where you'll find relevant information about your hosting plan, which is crucial for the current task. Now we're at the final step. Within the Plan Details section, you'll want to focus on the block titled Server Name. Here, you'll discover the vital details about your website's name servers. Reviewing these servers is important, especially if you're setting up or troubleshooting anything related to your domain name. And there you have it. Accessing your name servers with Hostinger is pretty straightforward once you know where to go. By following these steps, you've efficiently navigated through your Hostinger account to find the information you need. If you've followed along, you're now well equipped to manage this aspect of your website. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about website management, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.